Swimming in that butter food. We back with another one. The ultimate fall butter swim biscuits are here. Sweet potato, y'all. Sweet potato with a maple bourbon butter syrupy situation on top. Delicious, incredible. You have to have these. These are mine. Make your own. They're super simple. Let me show you how to get into it. We not wasting time, booze. Flour's in the bowl, and then next we sprinkle in salt, brown sugar, nutmeg, and baking powder and whisk it up real good. Now, to our 2 cups of buttermilk, we're gonna add a tablespoon of that real vanilla, then pour that mix in, plus our sweet potato right into the dry mixture. Stir it gently, booze. Don't overdo it. We want it to just come together. Let that dough just come together slightly and just don't keep mixing it or it'll end up tough. In a pan, melt down your butter. Then we're gonna add in a little bourbon and syrup for a little flavor, and then let the oven work its magic. To the hot butter spread, we're gonna add that biscuit dough in, smooth it out, and cut into 9 squares with a knife and bake at 450 for about 25 minutes or so. For the glaze, y'all, toss that syrup, some salt, bourbon, and yes, booze, more butter into a skillet, because we swimming in it, and then let it bubble on medium for about 4 minutes until it thickens up. Now, listen, I'm down here wrestling with that bottom oven like it's my side hustle, but booze, look at these biscuits. They shining bright, y'all. They're golden, and they're ready to bless somebody's plate, okay? Because it's the swimming in that butter, booze, like they calm down by that time.
Okay.
I always get them after the bubbling. Get as many really good bubbling shots as possible.
Yeah.
Because that's what really truly sells the biscuits. And getting the shot of it, one lifting out of the pan.
You know, try it. There is only this.
Yeah. Get it. Get it. You say behind the scenes, get it. I get it. Butter swim, get it. Sweet potato, get it. Bourbon butter, get it. I get it. Where'd you go? Yeah. These are spectacular. Sweet potato notes throughout the biscuit dough. You just taste all that deliciousness, that warmth, that slight sweetness, and then also that maple butter bourbon glaze on top. Oh, it's so good. It just seeps in at the top, like you can just see the glistening at the top of the biscuit. Oh my gosh, it just gives you so many notes, so much depth, so much warmth, so much deliciousness. You gotta make these this fall. Heck, all season long, all year long, these are a hit, okay? Make these. Yum.